It's Thursday, 13th February, and the markets ended on a mixed note amid cautious investor sentiment. Gains in metal and pharma stocks provided some support, but IT, FMCG, and PSU banks were weak. Let's dive into today's key market highlights. The Nifty ended down by 13 points at 23,031, while the Sensex closed lower by 32 points at 76,138. Market breadth remained weak, with 2,099 stocks declining against 1,847 advancing. On the sectoral front, metal, pharma, and realty posted gains of 0.5 to 1%, while FMCG, IT, and PSU banks faced pressure, shading 0.3 to 1% by the close. Tata Steel, Sun Pharma, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, and Cipla emerged as the top gainers, offering some stability to the market. Meanwhile, Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, Hero MotoCorp, Infosys, and L&T weighed on the Nifty, contributing to the subdued sentiment across key sectors. The rupee ended nearly unchanged at 86.8975 against the dollar, stuck between gains in regional currencies and importer-led demand. Heavy RBI interventions earlier in the week fueled volatility, keeping the currency within a broad 1.50 rupee range. SEBI is pushing for broader access to social media and call records to curb unauthorized financial advice on platforms like WhatsApp and Telegram. This marks its second attempt since 2022, with government approval still awaited, sources indicate. Prudential plc has reportedly engaged Citigroup to manage the IPO of ICICI Prudential Asset Management, aiming to raise $1 billion. The offering would see Prudential partially reducing its stake, while ICICI Bank retains majority control. The broader markets showed mixed trends today. The Nifty Midcap 100 edged up 0.25%, while the Small-Cap 100 dipped 0.37%. This divergence highlights selective buying in mid-caps, while small-cap stocks faced some profit booking. Gold climbed 0.45% to $2,917 per ounce, rebounding toward its record high of $2,942.70. A weaker US dollar and concerns over Trump's tariff plans supported safe haven demand. Investors now await US PPI data for further market direction. Natco Pharma shares plunged 20% after posting weak Q3 FY25 results. Net profit dropped 37.75% YoY to 132.4 crore rupees, while revenue fell 37.4% to 474.8 crore rupees. EBITDA saw a sharp 85.5% decline, with margins dropping significantly. The earnings slump was driven by a steep fall in export formulation revenue. Nestlé's annual sales surpassed forecasts, driven by price hikes to counter inflation. Shares surged nearly 6% in Zurich as the food giant, known for Nescafé, KitKat, and Purina, reported strong performance across its product lineup. Adani Green Energy shares climbed 3% to 946 rupees after reports of its exit from a $1 billion Sri Lanka wind power project. The decision followed the new government's push for lower tariffs, easing concerns over project viability. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.